So welcome to LNP Renewable System Integrator. Today we are going to see the third part of this solar PV systems basics. Okay, so what are the things that we are going to discuss today? We are going to discuss how the batteries are connected in series. Okay, what will be the circuit diagram for it, and how the batteries are connected in parallel. Okay, how the battery connected in series and parallel combination. What happens if you connect the batteries in different polarities? All these things today we are going to discuss. So first is when we connect a battery in a series connection. See here we have a three batteries which is of 12 volt and its ampere rating is 100 Ah battery. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are connecting this negative with the positive of the second battery and the negative of the second battery to the positive of the third battery, and we are taking the output from the third battery and the first battery. Since we are connecting these three in the series, the voltage will get sum ups. So the first one is 12 plus 12 plus 12. So we have a 36 volt, and the current of the in the series connection will be the same. So 100 Ah. Okay, and if we connect the batteries in the parallel, okay, what will happen? See here, all these three we have a 12 volt. What we are going to do, we are connecting all the positives of this battery 1, 2 and 3 together, and we're taking output, and all the negatives of this battery 1, 2 and 3 together we're taking output. See here, the volt output is 12 volt, it remains the same, but the current rating got increased. So if you connect any battery in parallel, the current will get sum of, so 100 plus 100 plus 100, we have a 300 Ah. And if we connect the batteries in series and parallel combination, how it will see here, we have a two example at the first row and the second row. In the first row, what we are doing, we are connecting all the battery 1, 2 and 3 in series connections. Okay, and also in the second row, okay, the three batteries we are connecting in series. Okay, now we are interconnecting this battery row 1 batteries and row 2 batteries together, okay, in parallel connection. So now see what is happening. See here, when we connect these three batteries in series, okay, our total voltage output is 36 volt and the current will be the same 100 Ah. Whereas in case in the second row, since this is also a series connection, okay, the output of the voltage will be get sum up, which is 36 volt, and the current remains same, that is 100 Ah. Now see the first row batteries and the second row batteries we are connecting in parallel. See here, the positive of this battery and this battery and this negative of this battery and this battery, we are taking a parallel connection. Now what is happening, our voltage output is same, that is 36 volt. Okay, whereas the current rating got summed up, that is 100 plus 100, that is 200 Ah. So this is how we can make the series parallel combination in the batteries. This is a simple example. Okay, now let's try to know what happens. There are four wrong connections. Okay, we need to understand these four conditions. See here, in the first one we have a 12 volt battery 100 Ah, and the second one is also 12 volt battery 100 Ah. But see, the mistake that we are doing here is that we are connecting the positive terminal of this first battery with the negative terminal of the second battery, and the negative terminal of the first battery with the positive terminal of the second battery. So what happens in this case? Okay, the polarities are in the parallel connection, so there won't be any output. Since the opposite polarities are connected together, there won't be any output. This is a wrong connection, we should not do it. Okay, see here in the second figure we have a 12 volt 100 Ah. Okay, and also we have another battery which is 24 volt 100 Ah. In this also, the connection that we are doing is positive and negative wires are connected together, and negative of the first battery and the positive of the second battery are connected together. So here what will happen, here since the second battery is little more voltage is little more than the first battery, the output that for a few seconds we will get 12 volt. Because of this dead short circuit, okay, both the batteries will discharge quickly. So this is also a wrong connection. And in see in the third one we have a 12 volt battery 100 Ah, 12 volt battery 100 Ah. What we are going to do, we are connecting the negatives together. Okay, we are connecting the two negatives together and we are taking only the positives outside. So do you think we will get any voltage in it? No. Okay, this is also a wrong connection. We should not connect our batteries like this. And the fourth connection, see here, the first one is a 24 volt battery, okay, 100 Ah, and the second one is a 24 volt 100 Ah battery. Here in this connections also we are looping the negatives and we are taking only the positives of these batteries. So if you make connection like this, okay, we won't get any sort of outputs. It is a wrong connection. These are the wrong connection that we should avoid. Okay, when we are doing any sort of connection, we should not connect our batteries like this. Thank you so much. Please press the subscribe button icon. Okay, and to know more and learn more, please contact us. We have provided the contact details in it. Okay, if you want to do projects with us, you can contact us. We are providing design, installation, testing, and commissioning support for solar on-grid and off-grid connection, power plants, and also we are providing the automation support also. Okay, if you want to do design, installation, testing, and commissioning supports, okay, for the automation, building automation, home automation, industrial automation, okay, you can contact us. And also we are providing training supports. If you want to know the basics of electric vehicles, okay, you can contact us. We are providing training supports for the institutions, so we have provided the contact details in it. Okay, and if you want to know the basics of this, some of the basics that is getting used in the automation, and if you want to know how the metro stations are getting designed, what are the basics that we should know if you are going to work in a metro station as an automation engineer, okay, or if you're going to work as an automation engineer in a buildings, okay, if you want to know more about the HVAC systems, okay, you can contact us. We are providing the training supports. Okay, so we have provided the contact details in it. You can contact us. Thank you so much.